Getting into crypto is like traveling abroad. You can't cross borders without a passport. And in crypto, your passport is a wallet. Hi, I'm Stasha from Swapspace Academy, and today let's set up a wallet together step by step. By the end, you'll be ready to send, receive, and protect your coins with confidence. Before we get started, let's quickly remember what kinds of wallets there are and how people use them. In case you've missed it, watch our crypto wallet lesson. If you're investing long-term, you'll probably pick a cold wallet like Ledger or Trezor. These wallets stay safer from hacks. Even Coinbase itself keeps over $50 billion of customer funds in cold storage. For daily use, like buying coffee in El Salvador, with Bitcoin or sending Tether to a friend abroad, a mobile wallet like Trust Wallet or Coinbase Wallet is more practical. And if you're into gaming or NFTs, wallets like MetaMask or Phantom connect directly to apps, games, and marketplaces. Let's set up one of the most popular wallets, MetaMask, used by over 30 million people each month. Step 1. Download MetaMask from the official website as a browser extension or a mobile app. Step 2. Click Create a Wallet and set a strong password. Step 3. Write down your seed phrase, 12 random words. Don't keep it on your phone or email. Paper only. MetaMask will even quiz you on it. And that's it. Your wallet dashboard is ready, showing your Ethereum address. Now you can send, receive, or swap tokens. But how? To send crypto, just click Send, paste the recipient's wallet address, enter the amount, and confirm. Always double check. One wrong symbol and your money is gone. To receive, share your wallet address or QR code, and funds will arrive in minutes. But here's the most common mistake: choosing the wrong network. In 2024, a user sent over 25,000 USDT from KuCoin to an OKX wallet, but picked Polygon instead of ERC20. Since OKX didn't support it, the funds never arrived. The money was lost for good. One more tip: wallets are great for storing and transferring, but their built-in exchange rates are usually worse. For the best market rates when swapping, use a platform like Swapspace. It compares multiple exchanges to save you money. So yes, wallets are simple to use. The real challenge is keeping them safe. And that's what we'll cover next with a quick game. A support email asks you for a seed phrase: safe or scam? Scam. Real companies like MetaMask or Ledger will never ask you for a seed phrase. Does two-factor authentication make your wallet more secure? True or false? True. Always enable it for an extra layer of security. Are hot wallets always safe enough, even for storing millions? False. Big money belongs in cold storage. Hardware wallets start at about $50, and for serious investors, they're a must. And here's a real case. In 2023, hackers stole over $35 million from Atomic Wallet users. Most victims? People who kept everything in hot wallets without extra protection. Now you know how to set up, use, and protect your first crypto wallet. Your crypto passport is ready. Excited to use it? Can bet. So, which wallet fits you best? Let us know in the comments. Want to go further? In our next lesson, we'll explain what diversification is and why it's one of the smartest moves in investing. Hit like, subscribe, and don't miss it.